Top 5 Best Multitrack Recorders. Number 5. Zoom PodTrak P4 Podcast Recorder. The Zoom PodTrak P4 feels like the podcast world's secret handshake, a small gray box that quietly delivers professional power without draining your wallet. It's not flashy, it's focused. 4 XLR inputs, 4 headphone outs, and individual volume control for each. That alone is wild for this price range. Add 4 programmable sound pads, and suddenly your podcast sounds like a live show instead of a late-night Zoom call. The build is light, but confident. It fits in the palm of your hand, ready to travel or sit neatly beside your coffee cup. The knobs are small yet tactile, perfect for quick, precise tweaks mid-conversation. Plug it into a computer, or run it on batteries, record straight to an SD card, or your favorite DAW. The flexibility here is borderline ridiculous. Sound quality? Clean, full, with smart peak control that saves loud talkers from digital disaster. It won't rival a $3,000 studio desk, but it's not trying to. It's a tool built for creators who care more about the story than the setup. For anyone building a podcast empire from a kitchen table, this little machine might just be the first loyal employee. Coming in number 4. Tascam DP-006. The Tascam DP-06 is a tiny time machine, the spiritual grandchild of the old Porta 05 tape decks, only now it fits in your backpack and runs on batteries instead of dreams and cassette hiss. It doesn't try to be a DAW, and that's its magic. Turn it on, arm a track, hit record. 6 tracks later, there's a song. No plugins, no 30GB downloads, no driver updates, just pure focus and sound. Its built-in mics are surprisingly honest. Set them right and they'll catch everything. Even the low hum of an air conditioner miles away. The interface feels familiar. Simple knobs, logical menus, a metronome that keeps you grounded, and a tuner that's more nostalgic than necessary. Sure, it's not perfect. The power adapter situation feels stuck in the 80s, and the proprietary file system means exporting to your computer takes a few extra minutes. But that's the trade-off for freedom from screens and distractions. What this little recorder gives back is clarity, in both sound and process. For songwriters, travelers, and anyone tired of losing ideas in the noise of technology, the DP-006 is a quiet revolution. Plug in, press record, and let the music do the talking. Coming in number 3. Tascam DP-008EX. The Tascam DP-008EX is proof that simplicity still wins. In an age where everyone's lost inside a DAW with endless plugins and pop-up updates, this compact recorder feels like a quiet rebellion. It strips recording down to its essence: play, record, listen, repeat. And that's where the joy sneaks back in. It's got 2 XLR inputs, built-in condenser mics that punch far above their weight, and a layout that makes sense. Real knobs for level, pan, and reverb. No menus buried 3 clicks deep. Sure, the LCD screen looks like it came from 2005, and yes, you'll have to buy your own power adapter. Seriously, Tascam? But once you start tracking, those gripes fade away. Whether laying down drums, guitars, and vocals one by one, or capturing a live session, the DP-008EX keeps things fluid. Mixdown and mastering can be done right on the unit. Manual mode rewards patience and ears that care. It's a recorder for people who still believe in touching their tools, not just clicking them. Affordable, portable, and built for real musicianship, the DP-008EX doesn't try to compete with software, it just helps you make music. And that's the whole point. Coming in number 2. Tascam DP-24SD. The Tascam DP-24SD is what happens when old-school recording grit meets modern simplicity. It's a full studio in one solid slab of hardware. No drivers, no latency, no spinning beach balls of doom. Just plug in, hit record, and watch the tracks pile up. 24 of them, to be exact. This machine feels like a love letter to every musician who ever lost inspiration waiting for a DAW to update. The controls are physical. The interface is intuitive once you spend an evening or two with it. And the sound quality is shockingly professional for something that costs less than a mid-range guitar pedal board. 8 XLR inputs, onboard effects, compression, EQ, and mastering tools make it equally at home in a corner studio or on stage running backing tracks. Transfer files? Easy. Pop out the SD card or plug in USB, and your waves are ready for the laptop polish. It's not here to replace a $2,000 rig. It's here to give independent musicians the tools to make music instead of wrestling with computers. Built like a tank, priced like a toy, and smart enough to handle real work, the DP-24SD is what recording should feel like. Hands-on, no excuses, all music. Coming in number 1, Zoom R20 Multitrack Tabletop Recorder. The Zoom R20 Multitrack Recorder is the modern musician's Swiss Army knife. Compact, clever, and refreshingly tactile in a world drowning in mouse clicks. It's a full studio that fits on a tabletop, designed for those who still want to touch their music instead of chase it through endless DAW menus. 8 inputs let small bands or solo artists capture live sessions effortlessly, with phantom power for up to 4 condenser mics. Each track gets its own compression, gate, and send settings, meaning vocals sit cleanly in the mix, right from take 1. And the touchscreen? A game changer. Punch-ins, trims, and rearranging tracks are instant. No latency, no fuss, just music flowing in real time. It's not perfect. A few firmware quirks linger. No mute button shortcuts, no A/B repeat, and yes, only 2 combo jacks. But none of that undercuts how capable this little box is. Record to SD, and yes, only 2 combo jacks. But none of that undercuts how capable this little box is. Record to SD, export waves straight to your DAW, or use it as a USB interface. It does all 3 without breaking a sweat. The built-in drum loops and FM synth may feel like toys, but the recording power here is all business. For creators who crave simplicity without compromise, the Zoom R20 hits the sweet spot between vintage disciplines. The Zoom R20 hits the sweet spot between vintage discipline and modern freedom.